Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the biggest, most annoying thing with Subarus, at least with the 2015 and up WRX. When you have the car on idle and you don't have the clutch in or anything, the car will make a chirping noise, and then the moment you press the clutch in ever so slightly, it does not do it. So let me show you. See, I have the clutch in. Don't mind all those check engine lights, I know what they are. See? Then you just press a little, then it goes away. So that's what we're going to be fixing today. It's a simple, easy fix. All you gotta do is just come back here on the fork for the clutch, and then if you move it with your hand ever so slightly, it'll go away. The noise will go away. So what I'm doing, previously I had a little spring on there just to pull that fork a little bit, and all it would do was just, like, you know, get the slop out of it. I can't get it to focus. It will get all the slop out of there, and then it wouldn't make the noise anymore. So what I recently did was this. I just literally got done doing this. Let me set it right here. So this is one of your clutch cylinder bolts. In this case, it's my left one if you're facing the car. So what I did was a little bracket so the bolt could go through. Then I grinded this side off so it can mount on there. Then this is what I used. Then I made a little hole up here. I'll show you. I made a little hole up here so that way I can put my spring in there. So then what you want to do, you want to find a spring that is not too hard and it's not too short. So you just put it on here. It's kind of hard. I'm filming with one hand. Okay, so let's position it where I want it. So basically what I had to grind off was right there, so that way the aluminum wouldn't hit the bracket right here, because there's like a little, see, like there's like a stop there. So what I did is, like, you can move it, you know, closer if you want or farther. It's up to you. So I'm gonna move it as far as I can. And then I'm gonna set the spring over there, and I'm not gonna tighten it that much. I can't, I'm looking through my phone. So that way, I just want to show you guys, you know. Okay, that should be good enough for now. I couldn't do anything with it, but anyways. So then, the way I'm routing is this way. Now this is gonna be a little tricky because I have to mount it on this side of the clutch fork. So you just want to set it on there on the edge, and it won't slip out or anything. It's pretty tight on there. Now let's start the car up and see what happens. Again, I still gotta come back here and tighten that up a little bit, but for the purpose of the video, I'm leaving it like that. Turn it up again and start it up again and see what happens. Okay, that's the clutch in, clutch out. No more noise. Problem solved. Now let's take a look at it again. Alrighty guys, so I got everything literally taken care of. I just had a flat tire, so the car was going crazy. Anyways, so that little thing, it's really easy to do, and it makes it to where you just feel like you're in a different car. Because that little chirping noise, it's so freaking annoying. That's all I gotta say about it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll answer for you guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you want to keep watching stuff about my shitbox.